Hi friends, welcome back to Bake House. My name is Ramya and this is Coco. Today we are sharing an easy strawberry jam recipe using 3 ingredients. Yes, that's right, only 3 ingredients. We are not adding any pectin or setting agents here. You can use any berries or a combination of berries in this recipe. So without much further delay, let's get started. The first ingredient we need for this recipe is strawberries. Here I have nearly 800 grams of washed and dried strawberries. The first step is to hull and chop the berries into small pieces. Once the chopping is done, transfer the berries into a heavy bottom large pan. Next step is to mash the berries using a potato masher. This step is totally optional. If you do not mind chunks of strawberries in your jam, you can leave it as such. To the mashed berries, I am going to add 2 cups of sugar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Give everything a good mix. Transfer the pan to a stove top and let it boil. A larger heavy bottom pan is recommended for cooking the jam as this mixture is going to boil and bubble a lot. The berry mixture has now come to a boil. All the sugar has dissolved and water has come out of strawberries. At this stage, reduce the heat to a medium. The most important point to remember here is to keep stirring the mixture to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and getting burnt. This is after 20 minutes. The mixture has thickened up and the color has darkened. Keep cooking and continue stirring. You can also see that the foam on the top has disappeared now. This is after 30 minutes of cooking the jam. The jam looks done now. We will do the plate test to make sure that it's ready. For this I had kept a small plate in my freezer. I took it out and put a small amount of jam on the plate. Now run your fingers through the mixture. If the line stays put, that means our jam is ready. It's now time to switch off our stove and wait for the jam to cool down. Once it gets to room temperature, transfer to a clear glass container and store in a refrigerator. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.